Speedrunning community post. San Marino can still qualify to the World Cup through the playoff, although they're on 0 points and will end on last place with 0 points. They did finish first in the Nations League, so they will be advanced to the playoffs. While big teams like Sweden, Serbia, Wales, Greece, and Russia, of course, have already been eliminated from the World Cup or still might not have qualified and might have still low chance of qualifying. And same goes for Italy, because they're not finishing first, are they? So players for them. Of course, it's hard ah, when you don't have a script. Ah,